DIY enthusiasts and home project heroes, welcome back to Maybe Not Safe. Today we're diving into the world of portable air compressors, the ultimate tool for every home project. Whether you're inflating tires, nailing trim, or spray painting like a pro, the right air compressor can make all the difference. We're talking about harnessing the power of AIR. Trust me, having a reliable air compressor in your arsenal is a total game changer. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank to get one. Stick around, because I've got the top 5 portable air compressors for home use in 2024, all lined up and ready to be put to the test. You don't want to miss this. First up, we're kicking things off with a classic, the DeWalt DWFP55126 pancake air compressor. It's got a low-profile design, making it super stable and easy to store. With a 6-gallon tank and a max PSI of 165, it delivers more air per minute compared to many other models in its class. We're talking about powering nailers, staplers, and even some smaller spray guns without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's got enough juice for inflating tires, air mattresses, and all those other things you need air for around the house. It's designed to start up easily, even in cold weather. No more struggling on chilly mornings. This DeWalt model also scores high on portability with a sturdy handle and compact design. Built DeWalt tough, it features a durable pump, a sturdy roll cage, and solid construction. So if you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and portable air compressor, the DeWalt DWFP55126 pancake air compressor is definitely worth checking out. Next up, for all the noise-sensitive folks out there, meet the California Air Tools 8010 ultra-quiet and oil-free compressor. This thing is seriously whisper-quiet, operating at only 60 decibels. You can finally finish that late-night project without waking up the whole neighborhood. The California Air Tools 8010 is also incredibly reliable and easy to maintain because it's oil-free. With a max PSI of 120 and a decent airflow rate, it's more than capable of handling most DIY tasks around the house. It's got a durable pump and sturdy construction that can withstand years of use. Its compact design and convenient carrying handle make it easy to move around your workspace or take with you on the go. And at just under 40 pounds, it's still manageable for most people to carry. So if you're looking for a quiet, reliable, and low-maintenance air compressor, the California Air Tools 8010 ultra-quiet and oil-free compressor is definitely worth considering. Let's switch gears and talk about a compressor built for the big leagues. The Makita MAAC2400 big bore air compressor is in a league of its own. It's got a powerful 4.2 AMP motor and a cast iron pump designed to handle even the toughest jobs. We're talking about framing, roofing, siding, you name it. This compressor has a larger cylinder bore and stroke, meaning faster recovery time and greater efficiency. The Makita MAAC2400 also features a durable roll cage for added protection and a convenient oil sight glass. Plus, it's got a large automotive-style filter that provides superior air intake filtration, extending the life of the compressor. It's not the most lightweight compressor out there, but the extra weight is a testament to its solid construction and durability. This is a compressor that's built to last for years of heavy use. So if you're looking for a powerful, durable, and efficient air compressor, the Makita MAAC2400 big bore air compressor is worth every penny. Adventure seekers and off-road enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Viair 400P portable compressor kit is your new best friend. It's designed specifically for off-road use and can handle even the most demanding conditions. We're talking about airing up tires after a long day on the trails, inflating kayaks and rafts, and even powering air tools for on-the-go repairs. The Viair 400P is a favorite among 4x4 owners and RV travelers because of its portability and power. It connects directly to your car battery, so you don't need to rely on a nearby power outlet. With its compact size and included carrying case, you can easily store it in your trunk or gear bag. This compressor can handle up to 35-inch tires with a powerful motor and durable pump. The Viair 400P also features a built-in pressure gauge and automatic shutoff feature. It comes with a variety of attachments, including a tire inflator, ball needle, and air chuck. So if you're looking for a portable, powerful, and reliable air compressor, the Viair 400P portable compressor kit is the way to go. So, there you have it, the best portable air compressors for 2024, carefully hand-picked just for you. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a seasoned pro, these compressors will help you get the job done faster, easier, and with a lot more fun. By clicking the Amazon links in the description, you not only get these amazing products but also support this channel at no extra cost to you. Remember, having the right tools can make all the difference in your DIY journey. It's like having a superpower, so why wait? Dive into the links below, find the one that suits you best, and let's make your next project a breeze.